okay being in the video? It's competition day. Woo! Everyone's getting ready. A little bit of background information. It's currently 6 AM in this vlog and it's competition day. So I'm sorry to all the people at uni who I was shoving the camera in their face at 6 o'clock in the morning on the day of a competition. Like, who wants that? No one. But I'm a meanie and I was filming everyone. For the memories, yo, for the memories. Akira. Oh my gosh, it looks thick. Yeah. No, it doesn't. You fool. Look at everyone in action. Oh my days. What a woman. That's cool. No birdie.
In the bag.
Oh, I was going to say. I don't trust that either. Beth's bars in action. They look 10 out of 10. What a queen. Her voice is gone. How you feeling, Emily? Feeling confident?
Yeah.
Yeah, she is. She did it. Woohoo!
I don't want to answer.
Look at that! That peony though. Okay. It's come a long way. Wow. Oh, yeah. She did it. She did it. Akira is in motion as well. Look at that face of action. Oh, the camera doesn't want to focus. Oh my days, Beth. I say it. That's incredible. Tense moment. As you just saw, we have entered our competitions. Yay! Everyone's happy. Well, as happy as you can because some of their stuff looks really good. But it's fine, we have entered, it's the taking part that counts. We're now going for breakfast. And oh my gosh, it really feels like I'm going to have a nosebleed. Anyway, we're going to have breakfast and Ov's got to vlog it because it really feels like I'm going to, or is it just not? Oh, see, what did I say? Oh no.
Grace.
I'm sorry, I said it. We're at breakfast.
Yum yum.
Yum yum. Should we do a scout around?
When?
Right now.
We're minding the table.
We're minding the table. Kira is on that mini hash brown high. More, go on. More.
I'm not a hash brown person. I gave you my hash brown in McDonald's.
Oh yeah. It's toast time. Woohoo!
Can we get some sauce?
Well, if that isn't the depiction for the day.
Especially not after she lost.
Hi, and welcome to my channel.
Just had breakfast. That was that. It was okay. I'm not gonna lie. I think premiering breakfast is a little better.
Gluten-free sausages are nice.
She had gluten-free sausages because she's celiac. I literally say it in every vlog. But so you know, I got the Lightbox raffle prize. Look what Amy got. Slush puppy. So we're gonna do a little tricky unboxing and see.
What if I get it back in the box?
Oh well, let's just see what it's like in there. Oh, when it comes with the cups. No, we're not doing a masters. Oh,
undergrad.
it's like you know when you go to like a park, like
Yeah, constantly with such
anyone for the slush puppy. That's so cool. It doesn't count if it rolls. Okay. Amy and Karen are doing it. Yeah, we're not Limerick. Gosh, shit. Oh. Oh wait, it's not focused.
Oh wait, I have to wait.
Jeez. Oh my gosh, out of bounds. Oh! We're at Go. Go on it. What was that? Right. It's my turn. Take it. Hold it. Ready?
You want to move.
Why him twice?
You go as many times. Do I go while you're going? No.
Oh. Spin it off.
In the whole hand.
I can't hold that. Ready? How much?
I think it'll be nice. That was 2. Oh, hole in one. I don't want to do this. Like braces on, like. Yay! Woo!
Multiple classes, because that was a lot of work, and a lot of you have gone to a lot of trouble bringing all your products, you know. The live show, you were very brave. I applaud you. There should be more. The courage to have to do something, and there's a few people walking.
I'm home, but I thought I'd give a little bit of context here. So I'm coming from me editing this. Firstly, oh, I missed my finger then. Firstly, I didn't actually explain, but basically I entered 2 innovation competitions and I won 2nd and 3rd place. So I was buzzing about that because it's the first ever competition I've entered and I wasn't expecting to win anything. So that was grand. Secondly, I love Northerners. They're all so nice. And I love their accents. I think I'm going to marry a Northerner because their accents are just cracking. Like, how cool. They're like so cool and Northern. I kept saying it because Amy's from Manchester and I love her accent. And I copy her accent all the time because I just love a Northern. They're so nice. Well, all the ones I met. Anyway, here we were throwing away some bread. And then the hotel staff came over and was like, we have to put it in the food waste, so stop what you're doing. Sort of a thing.
Look at all these chickens.
There's so much. Whoa, whoa. He is the champion. Whoa. Whoa. Very tense. Very, very tense. Look at her first.
Are you trying to...
Party, 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 party. So, we did golf, we did the water park, we found out people won competitions, and we're getting ready for...
Smashed it out the park!
We're going to get ready for the gala! I'll update you later, because she's kind of half naked. So don't look at the room, because it's really stressed me out, but we're ready for...
But I'm not.
Going out. Oh my gosh, Akira!
This is how I'm going actually. I'm just styling it out.
Look at Akira's muscle. What a woman! You need to get dressed, girl! Bexley Heath! That's near me! That was? Wow. Anyway, just got this dress on. Right, let's do an OOTD. I haven't got my full outfit on. It's just like this black dress. My mum made it, so I can't tell you where it's from, soz. And I've got these high heels on. Ooh. That is it. Yeah. And these little hoops from Tesco, which not the best, are they? They broke, but it's fine. I folded them. Yeah, the back popped out, so that's fun. Really fun actually. Okay, so the vlog footage got corrupt from the evening gala thing, but here are some pictures. Look at my face of regret. What is going on here? I don't even know what is happening, and I'm just, no, what is my face? And this, what, Grace, you, ugh, what is that face? And look at the light bouncing off my forehead. Why? Look at that, awkward. And this one, ready? Look at the light bouncing off my forehead. Now. Thanks for watching the second vlog. The third one, my voice is slowly deteriorating, but the third one is coming soon, so stay subscribed. Because we went to Alton Towers theme park. Woo, yeah, it's gonna be a fab vlog.